Welcome to Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms. Today's job ID is 34343. The job location is in Irvine, California. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: more than 7 years of experience in Python, strong knowledge in Python, PyTest, PySpark, Airflow, Agile, DevOps, SQL, experience working on AWS and automation on AWS platform, testing knowledge on file-based integration and transformation, experience in test strategy, test automation, test design, test execution analysis, reporting, strong hands-on experience in building automation framework and in developing automation scripts for web UI, web services, and APIs. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required. For the detailed job description, please follow the link in the description of the video. Thank you for your time and have a good day. Hire IT People, Inc. Please visit us at hireitpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hire IT People on your favorite social platforms.